Hello po, sino ang pinakadapat umiwas sa cold drinks after meal? Herman Buelva po uli, acidic o may GERD, may fatty liver, high blood o may heart issues, diabetic, may IBS o sensitive stomach, seniors, madaling kabagan, laging stressed o puyat, at may asthma o sinusitis. Ano ang mas mabuting gawin? Warm water or room temperature only. Iwas cold drinks 30 to 45 minutes after eating. Small sips only kung uhaw talaga. Ginger tea kung acidic. Chamomile or mint tea kung bloated. At iwas na sabayan ng soft drinks, milk tea, o chilled juice. Tandaan, hindi bawal ang malamig na tubig. Pero bawal ito araw-araw pagkatapos kumain. Kung ayaw mong lumala ang acidity, kabag, bloating, slow metabolism, cholesterol issues, belly fat, and heart strain. Ang simpleng paglipat mula cold drinks to warm water after meals ay kayang magpagaan ng tiyan, magpabilis ng digestion, at magpabuti ng overall health mo. Ingat po palagi. God bless po.